Summer-like heat really is getting intense for springtime.
It's a little ridiculous for late April, right, when we're talking about 100-degree weather that we saw today. But you know we're going to have some eventual thunderstorms. It is still spring, and we still have 2 months of spring left. So for that reason, we want to make sure you are prepared. Today's topic during National Severe Weather Preparedness Week is building a weather-ready nation, one kit at a time. Emergency preparedness kits, what you need in them, how to build them. You'll find all that and more right here under the weather blog on KXAN.com. And be sure to scroll down, look at the last couple of days in case you've missed those, as we've been talking every day about a Severe Weather Preparedness Week. It's the very first one that we've ever had on a national basis. NOAA and FEMA combining to do that this year, and I think it's a really good idea. You know, 1,000 people lost their lives due to weather-related events in 2011, which is one of the reasons they decided to make this a national week this week. Well, here is live weather today. You would think it was the middle of summer and certainly not spring. There's not a cloud in the sky. This is our live weather camera from San Marcos. Our Chuck Nash Chevy Buick GMC cam there sits right at the dealership, and that's I-35 right there. And you can see, again, lots of sun. And you folks are in the low 90s down in San Marcos, as we are here in Austin. 92 in the city right now. At 8 o'clock, 84. At 10 p.m. tonight, clear and 76 degrees. Going to stay warm all night long. Out in Llano, it is 97. The temperature reached 100 degrees in Llano on the LCRA thermometer, 99 at the Llano airport today. We also had a 100 just outside of Mason, and we had several 100-degree high temperatures. In fact, there was a 101. I believe I saw a 102 in northwestern San Saba County this afternoon, too. Up and down 281, hot temperatures highs this afternoon in the low and mid-90s. Those are current readings, by the way, right now. And these are current readings around the metro area, everyone between 90 and 92 degrees. In our eastern counties, you folks between 88 and 91 down in Caldwell County. Austin's 92 and mostly clear. The airport's mostly clear. Also 92 degrees right now. The dew points have come up. That's why it wasn't nice and cool this morning as it has been the last few mornings. Our lows didn't fall below the 60s in very many places last night. And this south wind that's been pretty breezy today, still 10 to 20 miles per hour right now. That'll hold low temperatures tonight and tomorrow morning up a little closer to 70 degrees because it's going to blow all night long. Sunset at 8:05. Well, we had one day where we could take a little relief, or had a little relief from the mold spores flying around, but it was one day only. Today, they were back up, not only just into the high category, but they went from 850 yesterday to over 3,000 today. Grass in the medium category, but the tree pollens right now are beginning to fade away. Pecan, assorted other trees, and those are just low. Well, you think it was hot here. San Angelo is 104 right now. I saw them at one point at 105 this afternoon. Record-breaking heat in San Angelo and other parts of West Texas. It's 103 in Abilene. It's 102 degrees in Midland right now. And this ridge of high pressure stretches all the way up into Canada. Records falling in the plains, too. 92 in Kansas City, 88 in Omaha. Why so hot? Well, because of this upper-level ridge of high pressure right now that is covering the middle of the country. Now, there is a low approaching California that will eventually break this ridge down over the next several days, but it's going to take a couple of days, and so between now and then, we're going to continue to see this unseasonably hot weather. Tomorrow, Friday, too. By the weekend, temperatures will moderate a little bit, but not much. Just back down into the mid to upper 80s, and the humidity values will be higher at that point, too, so it'll still feel pretty uncomfortable for late April anyway. Tonight, temperatures will only fall to the mid to upper 60s, and then tomorrow we'll see high temperatures get up close to or above 90 degrees, I think, in many places. In Austin tonight, some low clouds coming in, 69 with south winds. Tomorrow morning, brief low clouds, then the sun's out. I'm going to go 94 tomorrow afternoon, even hotter than today. South wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Here's a 7-day forecast. Let's drop it back to 92 on Friday. Let's bring it down to 90 on Saturday, and then hope we keep it below 90 from Sunday to Wednesday of next week, when we'll see a slight chance of some showers, a little better chance, we believe, toward the middle of next week.
Jim, thank you. Let's check.